The race to explore the moon's south pole just took an exciting turn. NASA has officially selected Blue Origin to deliver the VIPER rover, a mission-critical step in unveiling the moon's hidden resources. But here's where it gets controversial. This partnership highlights the growing reliance on private companies for missions that could shape humanity's future in space, raising questions about commercialization and leadership in lunar exploration. As part of NASA's ambitious Artemis program, Blue Origin, based in Kent, Washington, has been awarded a CLPS, Commercial Lunar Payload Services, task order that includes an option to transport the VIPER rover to the moon's south polar region. VIPER, whose name stands for Volatiles Investigating Polar Exploration Rover, will embark on a groundbreaking journey to hunt for vital volatile substances like water ice on the lunar surface. This isn't just about soil samples, it's about gathering crucial scientific data that will lay the groundwork for sustainable lunar missions and even humanity's ventures to Mars. NASA is pioneering a new era of lunar exploration like never before, said Acting NASA Administrator Sean Duffy. By collaborating closely with American industry partners, we're ensuring a lasting presence on the moon. VIPER's mission will push into harsh environments of the South Pole, especially targeting tiny, permanently shadowed areas. These zones are key to identifying safe future landing sites for astronauts and understanding the lunar conditions that will support long-duration human spaceflight. This particular CLPS contract holds a potential value of $190 million. Interestingly, this marks Blue Origin's second contract under the CLPS program for lunar missions. Their inaugural delivery mission, set to launch later this year, will use the Blue Moon MK1 robotic lander to deploy NASA's stereo cameras for lunar plume surface studies and a laser retroreflective array, both aimed at the moon's south pole. This groundwork adds confidence to the upcoming VIPER deployment. Under the newly awarded contract, Blue Origin will deliver the VIPER rover by late 2027 using a second Blue Moon MK1 lander currently in the production pipeline. It's worth noting that NASA had previously canceled the VIPER project, prompting a reevaluation and exploration of alternate methods to meet its ambitious goal of mapping potential off-planet resources such as lunar water. This demonstrates NASA's flexible strategy in leveraging private innovation while managing risks. Our commitment remains unwavering in studying and utilizing the moon's resources, especially water, to enable sustained human exploration, explained Nikki Fox, Associate Administrator of NASA's Science Mission Directorate. Finding creative and cost-effective solutions through the private sector is crucial. The landing technology being developed by Blue Origin allows NASA to focus its resources more efficiently, reinforcing America's leadership in space exploration and ensuring these missions stay financially viable. The task order, referred to as CS7, covers designing specific accommodations for the VIPER payload and proving how Blue Origin's lander will safely deploy the rover on the lunar surface. Importantly, the contract includes an option to actually deliver and deploy VIPER after NASA evaluates the success of preliminary tasks and Blue Origin's first flight of the Blue Moon MK1 lander. This phased approach cleverly reduces NASA's expenditure and technical risks. The rover's science mission is planned to last approximately 100 days and demands a landing by the end of 2027 to maximize scientific return during its operational window. Blue Origin shoulders full responsibility for the entire landing mission, from designing and testing the large lunar lander, which must be robust enough to carry the VIPER rover safely, to integrating and deploying payloads post-landing. NASA, on the other hand, will focus on rover operation and scientific planning once VIPER is on the moon. Joel Kearns, Deputy Associate Administrator for Exploration in NASA's Science Mission Directorate, emphasized the significance of this mission. Locating lunar volatiles is central to NASA's exploration strategy under Artemis. Successfully delivering VIPER could reveal where accessible ice reserves exist, providing a potential resource for future astronauts. At the same time, Studying these materials offers deeper insights into how volatiles are distributed throughout our solar system, shedding light on broader cosmic processes that have shaped our space environment and the evolution of the inner solar system. The CLPS initiative continues to empower American companies to lead in the commercial space sector by advancing lunar capabilities and driving NASA's vision for a commercial lunar economy. VIPER's development and scientific study are led by NASA's Ames Research Center in California's Silicon Valley, with Rover engineering developed through collaboration with Johnson Space Center in Houston. This mission invites us to reflect on a broader question. As private firms like Blue Origin take on increasingly pivotal roles in space exploration, are we witnessing a new era of cooperation or a potential shift in control over humanity's cosmic future? What do you think this means for NASA's role and the future of space exploration? Feel free to share your thoughts and debate in the comments below.